Hello, this is my Thinklink assignment from like about 2 months ago. I know I was having like a lot of trouble with the link and it wasn't loading. I really tried figuring that out because when I press publish, it's saying that like I'd have to upgrade my account and it's like saying giving me billing information. I don't know if I just pressed the wrong buttons or I just didn't do it correctly. And even when I go to settings, it gives me the not the opportunity, but like gives me the option for my organization, so any member. So I don't know how, like, you'd have to have a sign in required, or it says public or unlisted. Um, so I would just thought maybe I could screen record it and send this to you, and maybe that would be okay. Um, so this is my first one. Basically, I just had like a little video. So the inquiry of a learning cycle. Um, yeah, and this is just like an article that I found, and I read through it, and Um, and this is what I wrote down for some facts and ideas about the inquiry cycle in education. So there are many different types of inquiry learning, like structured inquiry, guided inquiry, and open inquiry. The actual definition of inquiry cycle is a process which engages students to ask and answer questions on the basis of collected information and which should lead to the creation of new ideas and concepts. My opinion. It is a way for children to get to express themselves and think outside the box. It allows them to think of the things that they may have never even thought of before, and this can be very beneficial and amazing for young minds. Okay. And then for pictures, I just have like two photos. So I have this one, it's basically like the inquiry cycle, like basically like an actual photo of the cycle. So the first one, it go tuning in, finding out, sorting out, going further, drawing conclusions, reflecting, and acting. Okay. And then this is an audio that I did. I can record this. Okay. That was my audio. And then I also have another video link that I did. Um, Basically, it was just like a leadership support service talking about the cycle of inquiry. Obviously, I'm not gonna like record the whole thing, but I just had that link in there, and then I had one more photo, and again, it was basically an inquiry cycle table, and it basically just like summarized each like part of the inquiry cycle table, which I thought was really interesting and helpful. And yeah, that was my project. I honestly don't really know how to like put the link on my blog so you can actually see it because again, it was giving me the option of like paying or something for it, like a membership or like a trial. So hopefully this is okay. I apologize again. I'm sorry for such a late notice. This assignment was due like 2 months ago. I just want to assure you that I did have it done. I don't understand why it wasn't working. And I really don't know how to make it work other than to screencast it. So yeah, thank you again. Bye bye.